Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's topic is comparison. Yes, my friend, today's topic is comparison. That means comparison in English learning. I've seen that many people, like many people, they just compare their skill with others, their English with others. Not only English, in other factor also. So this thing actually it decreases your learning speed. It's really bad, really bad thing while you compare your English with others, because see, everybody has a different environment. Everybody is qualification, schooling, they did from different school and different lifestyle. Everybody has different type of life. So for that, if we compare our English with others, won't that affect our English? Yes, that will definitely affect our English, because if suppose I'm learning, the school where I went, there many students were speaking in English, so my English has improved, I can speak. But if you are coming from a school where everybody speaks only your mother tongue, and you just can't even think that in English also there, because you can't, there only 1% people speak in English. So how can you think that yes, I can develop it within 1 year, within 2 years? Suppose if you move to a city or a country, there everybody is speaking in English, and suddenly you think that I have to be like them within 6 months, 1 year. Is that really possible? No, my friend, it is not possible. And you are not small, you're not, if you can't speak like me or anybody, okay, like somebody who's like very good speaker, okay, you think, you just look at them and you see that I wanted to be like him. But yes, it's possible. But if you just keep on comparing with yourself with that person, it's never gonna happen. Your English will not improving, okay, and it will not improve. And you don't think that yes, comparison, if I'll keep on comparing, compare to with myself to other person, maybe it will help. No, it will not help. Yes, you can see, I'll become like him one day. But if you'll compare that, yes, my English is low, okay, leave it, I don't want to do it. Look at them, they are so good. Look at this video, he's making the video, he's just only speaking in English, but I can't even speak a little bit. Okay, so any other YouTubers you have seen, and you're just comparing, no, I can't speak like them, okay, leave it, it's quite tough. No, don't compare it. I also was, one day I was also like that. I was also like you, that I couldn't even speak anything. I couldn't even. Then I tried and tried and tried. Now I can speak. I can tell people what to do to improve English. So same way, don't think that you cannot do it, and just don't keep on comparing yourself with others. That his one is good, that person is good. On YouTube, you can see many videos. Everybody is speaking, and you think, look at them, how they are speaking, but I can't do it. So it's really bad. It's really bad. Because you are also great, you are also a great student, you can also do it. One day you will also can become someone like the top English speaker. So don't compare, just the difference is time. You are a little behind, and they are quite far away from you. That is the difference. Only the difference is time actually. Suppose if you are now 25, if you are thinking that yes, by the age of 30, yes, possible, why not? It's possible, because you are not gonna die within 1-2 years. If corona is after corona also, if you are not gonna die, if during corona you are not dying, then also you won't die. Don't think that I will die, you won't die. You'll be living at least for 60-70 years, okay, if you are a fit person. So don't worry, you will learn it. Don't compare. This comparison is very bad thing actually. Don't ever, never ever do it. You are great, and you will be great one day. Okay, thank you very much, and keep watching my videos.